Is your knee making a cracking sound every time you stand up or bend down? It might seem harmless, but could it be a sign of something more serious? Today, we're diving into the topic of knee cracking to find out when you should start taking it seriously. First, let's talk about what actually causes that cracking sound in your knee. It could be due to the movement of air bubbles, the snapping of soft tissues, or even the rubbing of bones against each other. Next, let's explore when knee cracking is considered normal. Occasional cracking without any pain or swelling is usually nothing to worry about, especially if you've been active or are getting older. However, if you start experiencing pain, swelling, or stiffness along with the cracking sound, it might be time to take it seriously. These could be signs of underlying issues like cartilage damage, ligament injuries, or even arthritis. It's essential to listen to your body and not ignore any persistent symptoms. Consulting a healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis and treatment plan is crucial to prevent further damage and improve your overall knee health. Remember, your knee health is vital for your mobility and quality of life. So, if you're noticing more than just a harmless crack every now and then, don't hesitate to seek help. Your knees will thank you in the long run. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content on health and wellness.